Hey there, this is Glenn from Cougar Chemical. Today I'm talking about our Cougar Citrus Cleaner. This citrus cleaner is a great all-purpose product if you're detailing the inside of a car, or even if you're cleaning up in the kitchen or your house. This product is going to be used for cleaning oil, grease, latex paint. It's also good for tape residue, or even coffee spills. Something that's just going to be a tough stain on a hard surface. This is your product. What you want to do is you want to spray this on any hard plastic surface, metal surface, and then this is going to be good to wipe off. It's going to leave a nice citrus smell, and the citrus is what's going to do the real work cleaning this up.